Learning to code can be challenging, but I found that focusing on these 5 key points made the process much easier and more enjoyable. First thing, focus on one thing. When I first started coding, I tried to learn multiple programming languages and frameworks all at once. This approach overwhelmed me and slowed my progress. I realized that focusing on one language or concept at a time was much more effective. By dedicating my efforts to mastering a single topic, I was able to understand it deeply and build a solid foundation. For instance, I decided to start with Java and I concentrated solely on it until I became comfortable. This focus allowed me to make steady progress without getting confused. Finish what you start. It's easy to jump from one project to another, especially when new ideas are exciting. However, not completing the projects means missing out on valuable learning experiences. I made it a rule to finish what I started, no matter how challenging it became. Completing project not only gave me the sense of accomplishment but also helped me how to troubleshoot and solve problems. Each finished project added to me my confidence and skills, making the next one easier to tackle. Embrace failures. Coding is full of errors and bugs. At first, I found this frustrating and demotivating, but soon I realized that the failure is the natural part of the learning process. Every mistake I made was an opportunity to learn something new. Embracing failure meant that I stopped fearing it. Instead, I saw each error as a puzzle to solve. This mindset shift made coding less stressful and more like a game, where every setback was just a step towards finding the solution. Next thing is know the theory behind. Understanding the theory behind the coding concept is crucial. It's tempting to skip straight through writing code, but without knowing why behind what I'm doing, I often got stuck. I started to spend time learning the theoretical aspects of programming, such as algorithms, data structures, and design patterns. This knowledge gave me a deeper understanding of how the things work and made it easier to apply these concepts in my coding project. It also helped me to write more efficient and effective code. Next is practice coding every day. Consistency is the key when learning to code. I made it a habit to code every day, even if it was just for a short period. Daily practice helped reinforce what I learned and kept my skills sharp. It also built a routine, making coding a natural part of my day. Over time, I noticed significant improvements in my coding abilities and problem-solving skills. Just like learning a musical instrument or sport, a regular practice is essential for mastery.